Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your boy. I like your style. Before we continue, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for your chillest analyst. I didn't forget you guys. Today I have those news. Nedbank Cup news, guys. So yeah, the draw was happening. So the draw happened, guys. So yeah, Sekhukhune or Mamelodi Sundowns is up against Kaizer Chiefs. And Orlando Pirates are up against the Marumo Gallants. So I don't know if those are good news or those are bad news, but yeah, those are the news, guys. So what do you think about this kind of news dropping? So I think Orlando Pirates up against Marumo. Yeah, I saw Marumo Gallants players after the match. They were like, they want to play up against the Kaizer Chiefs, guys. So they were like, no, can you please give us Kaizer Chiefs? Can you please give us Kaizer Chiefs? I was like, hey, is it because, yeah, or is it because, yeah? But yeah, guys. So yeah, the Marumo was it Junior Dion? Yeah, was like, Hamuna, please give us a Kaizer Chiefs. Please give us Kaizer Chiefs. So, but yeah, fortunately or unfortunately, Marumo Gallants is up against Orlando Pirates, guys. So yeah, the reason why I'm asking about this match is because we know that Marumo Gallants is playing up against the defending champions of the Nedbank Cup. So it is really gonna be a very difficult one because it is the match before the final, guys. So semi-final is like that. So it's not gonna be easy for Marumo. But I don't think Pirates will also win that easily, guys, because we saw what happened when they went to Marumo in the league. So yeah, so we'll never know, guys, but yeah, that's how it is. That was the draw. Yeah, so I just want you guys to know that Marumo will be playing up against Orlando Pirates. So I want to know your predictions and what do you think, what can you say about the draw. And then the next one is Mamelodi Sundowns or Sekhukhune up against this team Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, the Glamour Boys. Yeah, guys. So yeah, the match will be a very entertaining match, guys, between Sekhukhune and Mamelodi Sundowns because they're playing against each other before one of them wins the match and then go to play against Kaizer Chiefs, guys. So yeah, that's how things stand. So the match that we are really focused on now is the one of Sekhukhune and Mamelodi Sundowns, which yeah is gonna have to make a difference so that now we can say that the winner of that match is going to the semi-final with Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs is already qualified, guys. Kaizer Chiefs is in the semi-finals. Hey, Kaizer Chiefs. Hey, Kaizer Chiefs. Here is it, guys. So yeah, those are my news for you guys. So I'd like to know what you guys would say about the match between Sekhukhune United and Mamelodi Sundowns. I heard other people saying, it's obvious, it's obvious. So I don't know, what's obvious? What's obvious? I want to hear in the comment section there for it's obvious. What's obvious, guys? But anyway, yeah. So Kaizer Chiefs is waiting for their opponents, and then yeah, we'll wait, guys. So we are also waiting for the days to be announced. So yeah, we'll take it from there, guys. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for chillest analyst.